Today we are making a pie with an unbelievably delicious filling. The dough is soft and tender. It simply melts in your mouth, and it's very easy to make. First, boil 250 grams of potatoes and add half a teaspoon of salt. Now let's prepare the dough. Pour 100 milliliters of warm milk into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix everything well. Then add 330 grams of sifted flour, 40 grams of melted butter, and 120 milliliters of warm water. Knead the dough by hand. It may stick at first, but soon it will come together into a smooth, soft ball. Cover it with plastic wrap and leave in a warm place for 1 hour. Now let's prepare the filling. Chop 40 grams of fresh cilantro. It has a strong herbal aroma, even a little citrusy.
Add chopped cilantro to 50 grams of slightly heated oil.
Press 2 cloves of garlic through a press. The potatoes are cooked. Now mash them until soft and fluffy and add them to the cilantro, oil and garlic. Mix well and the filling is ready. After 1 hour, the dough has risen. It's warm, soft, and pleasant to touch. Transfer it onto a floured parchment sheet and flatten it with your hands into a round about 1 centimeter thick. Cover with a towel and let it rest for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, grate 120 grams of mozzarella. After resting, use a small glass to press gentle indentations in the dough. Shape small balls of filling with your hands, flatten slightly, and place them into each indentation. Fill the spaces between with grated mozzarella. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes. Our garlic mashed potato pie is ready. It smells amazing, full of garlic aroma. The crust is golden, the inside soft and fluffy like a cloud, and the mashed potatoes stayed creamy and tender. Look, it tears apart like a soft web. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you soon with more delicious recipes. Bye bye!